na sometimes you have to accept na you can't do everything for the country.
Gandang barak!
Candidate number 3, I think.
Thank you so much, Albert. Ayan, Kim, Zia.
Yeah, you just have to love yourself first. Mahalin mo muna yung sarili mo bago ka magmahal ng iba, diba? Kasi kung hindi mo mahal yung sarili mo, how can you take care of that person? Yeah.
Ako din ba? Yeah, it's the same with C. Yung important is you know your self-worth. You have to, kasi hindi, no matter how much love another person gives you, if you don't feel you deserve it because you don't see yourself worthy of being loved, it won't matter. So you have to learn how to love yourself. But don't go overboard na talagang, it's just me na lang. So, know your self-worth so you can learn how to love and share that love then to others.
Ako naman, ang araw-araw na kataga ko sa buhay is everything happens for a reason. Parang lahat na nangyayari sa'yo, may rason yan na binigay ni God para maramdaman mo, masaktan ka man, sumaya ka man, pero it will make you into a better person after that. Masaktan ka, nalungkot ka, hindi mo na ibigay yung gusto niya, may rason, so hindi siya yung meant for you. Hanap ka ulit, diba? Mahaba pa ang buhay. Diba? Ako po si Sinay de Seba.
Ang bituin ng gabay lamang, meron tayong free will. Ayan, okay na po. Okay na ba, Ben? Happy ka ba?
Thank you so much.
In fairness. Thank you so much, Miss Kukay, Miss May, Kim, Sian, and Direk May. At syempre kasama rin sa pelikulang ito, sila Daniel Matsunaga, sila Melik Antiveros, yan, lahat sila nandiyan. Miss Ay de las Alas, of course, our comedy queen, comedy concert queen. At syempre, November 25, celebrity premiere night na po natin sa SM Mega Mall. And 26, showing na nga ito in all theaters nationwide. Ayan, last message mula kay Direk May, kay Sian, kay Kim.
Again, maraming salamat sa pagpunta. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your support. So November 26 na po, our early Christmas gift for you, ang past tense.
Correct, maagang pamasko.
Yes, maagang pamaskong handog ng Star Cinema para sa lahat po yan. So thank you, please supportahan niyo po. It would mean a lot if you guys can spread the word online. And sana mag-enjoy kayong lahat dito sa pelikula namin. November 26 na po. Maraming salamat.
Yes, ito po ulit kami. Sana po tulungan niyo po kami to spread the word. This Wednesday na po, maagang pamaskong handog mula sa Star Cinema, ang past tense. Magtawanan tayo, magkiligan tayo, and sigurado ako marami kayong aral na matututunan dito sa movie na to. Hindi lang puro tawa, may puso at kurot din tong pelikula to. Thank you so much!
Yay! Ayan, another box office na yun ito for sure, Direk. At ngayon pa, congratulations sa inyo, Kim, Sian, kila Miss Kukay, Miss May, Direk sa inyo. At yan, picture photo ops na kayo with the cast. And